Look up at the night sky and you'll see them. Quiet little dots of light. But what if every planet out there was secretly a superhero? Today we're reimagining all 8 planets of our solar system as a team of superheroes. And here's the best part. None of their powers are made up. Every single power comes from a real, true fact about that actual planet. Science is the superpower. So this is your solar system, like you've never seen it. 8 mighty worlds, 1 fallen ex-member, and the blazing boss they all answer to. We'll travel from the lightning-fast speedster nearest the sun, all the way to the Stormlord in the freezing dark. So suit up. Here comes your solar system superhero roster. First up, closest to the sun, Mercury. Codename Quicksilver. He's the smallest hero on the team. Scarred, scrappy, and faster than anyone alive. His power is pure speed. Mercury laps the entire sun in just 88 days. No planet in the system moves quicker, but he lives on a knife's edge. His dayside roasts at over 400 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead, and the instant he turns away, his nightside crashes to minus 180, scorched and frozen all at once. He has almost no atmosphere to shield him, so he's covered in battle scars, craters from billions of years of cosmic punches, small, tough, and unbelievably quick. The system's scrappy little speedster, but for raw, dangerous beauty. That title belongs to the hero right next door. Hero number 2, Venus. Codename, Mirage. She is the most beautiful hero in the sky. The brightest point of light you will ever see at dawn or dusk. She's almost exactly Earth size, her twin. From far away she looks like a second paradise. It's a trap. Her power is illusion, stunning on the outside, an absolute nightmare underneath. Beneath her thick clouds it's 465 degrees, making her even hotter than Mercury, the hottest hero of them all. Her skies rain sulfuric acid, and her pressure would crush you flat in a single second. And she's a total rebel. She spins backwards the opposite way to nearly every other planet. Beauty as a weapon. Never ever judge a hero by her cover. Next up, the leader of them all. Hero number 3, and the heart of the whole team. Earth, the Guardian. She holds the rarest power in the known universe. Earth is the only hero we've ever found that carries life. Her superpower is creation, oceans, forests, and billions of living things, found nowhere else we know of, and she's a protector. An invisible magnetic shield wraps around her entire body, deflecting the deadly solar radiation that would otherwise strip the life right off her surface. She breathes an atmosphere rich in oxygen, and nearly 3/4 of her is liquid water, and she never fights alone. Her loyal sidekick, the moon, steadies her spin and pulls her ocean tides. The hero we all call home. But her red-tempered neighbor has been itching for a fight. Hero number 4, Mars, codename the Warlord, named after the ancient god of war and painted blood red by rust spread across his whole surface. His signature weapon, titanic dust storms that can swallow the entire planet in a haze for weeks at a time. He's home to the biggest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest, and a canyon so enormous it would stretch all the way across the United States. 2 small moons march into battle beside him, Phobos and Deimos. Their names literally mean fear and dread, cold, rusty, and relentless. The warrior endlessly waiting for his big comeback. But every team needs a heavyweight. And here comes the biggest hero of them all. Hero number 5, Jupiter, codename Colossus. He is the undisputed giant. Jupiter is so massive that every other planet in the system could fit inside him with room to spare. His power is gravity, the strongest pull of any planet. Almost nothing escapes his grip, and he uses it to defend the team. His enormous gravity grabs incoming comets and asteroids, taking the hit so the inner planets, including Earth, don't have to. He's the system's bodyguard. On his face rages the Great Red Spot, a single storm bigger than the entire Earth, spinning for centuries, and dozens of moons circle him like a private army, a true colossus. But the next hero might just be the most stylish in the entire galaxy. Hero number 6, Saturn, codename the Ringmaster, the showstopper of the solar system. Nobody makes an entrance like the hero in the dazzling rings. And those rings are his weapon, billions of chunks of ice and rock spinning around him like glittering blades. His strangest secret? He's incredibly light, So light that if you found an ocean big enough, Saturn would actually float. At his north pole spins a bizarre, perfect six-sided storm, a giant hexagon, style and mystery. An army of moons follows him, including giant Titan, the only moon with a thick atmosphere of its very own. All flash, all power, all confidence. The most unforgettable hero on the whole roster. Then we reach the far, frozen edge of the team, where the weird ones live. Hero number 7, Uranus. Codename Sidewinder. He's the oddball of the team, and he's completely proud of it. His quirk, he's been knocked entirely onto his side, rolling around the sun like a runaway wheel. Scientists think a colossal ancient collision long ago tipped him over for good. His power is cold. He has the most freezing atmosphere of any planet, down to minus 224 degrees. An ice hero with a ghostly blue-green glow wrapped in faint, shy little rings most people never notice. Strange, frozen, and sideways, and utterly unbothered by what anyone else thinks of him. But the deepest, darkest, most distant hero is still to come. Hero number 8, Neptune. Codename Tempest. The farthest official hero from the sun, lord of the cold, dark, lonely deep. His power is wind. And not gentle wind. The fastest winds in the entire solar system howl across him at 2,000 kilometers an hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. Storms so violent no other hero could survive them. He's so far out that a single one of his years lasts 165 of ours. He is endlessly, eerily patient. And here's the twist. We discovered him using pure mathematics, calculating exactly where he must be before anyone ever saw him. A hero predicted by numbers alone, waiting silently in the dark. The mysterious master of the deep. And that was the team. Except, wait, isn't somebody missing? Pluto. Codename, the Underdog. He was once the proud 9th hero of the team, until 2006 when scientists demoted him to Dwarf Planet. The team officially kicked him off the roster. But the fans? They never ever stopped loving the little guy. And get this. He literally wears a giant heart on his chest, a real frozen glacier shaped exactly like one. Tiny and far away, he drags a moon so large that the two of them dance around each other like partners, the ultimate underdog. So be honest. Should Pluto get his hero cape back? Hold that thought. Because here's the thing. Not one of these heroes has any power on their own. They all answer to a single boss, the sun, not a planet. A blazing star so vast it holds a 99.8% of all the weight in the entire solar system. Its gravity is the leash. Every hero, every planet, is held in orbit and powered by its light. Without the sun, there is no team, no warmth, no light, no life at all. It's the true power behind every one of them. So there's your roster. 8 mighty planets, one beloved underdog, and the star that binds them. Quicksilver, Mirage, the Guardian, the Warlord, Colossus, the Ringmaster, Sidewinder, and Tempest. Every one of them weird, wild, and powerful in its own way, and every single power completely real. So tell me, which planet hero is your favorite? And should Pluto get his cape back? Drop it in the comments. If you had fun with this, drop a like, comment your hero, and subscribe for more. Keep looking up. Class dismissed.